नमस्कार। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Me myself, Dr. Ramesh Chand Sharma, Associate Professor, Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVW, Jaipur. Today's our chapter is Regional Injuries, Part 3rd. Fracture of the anterior cranial fossa. Basal skull fractures. Presentations: anterior cranial fossa fractures is with bruising around the eye, raccoon eye, or subconjunctival hemorrhage or CSF leak, rhinorrhea, or cranial nerve deficit. Presentation in middle cranial fossa fractures is with bruising behind the ear, battle sign, or hemotympanum or CSF leak otorrhea. Abrasion. There are due to presence of head hair. There also be unidentified miss due to presence of head hair may indicate severe frictions unless the person is bald. Road traffic accident, fall of height, attractional. Bruise contusions may be hidden by hair, occurs between the aponeurosis and skin, better felt than seen. Felt as a boggy mass, swelling, or a bump, especially when associated with a subscapular hematoma. Well seen in autopsy when the scalp is reflected may give the false sense of fractures of the underlying skull on external palpitation, may gravitate to appear at a distant site. It means we can say black eye, may become confluent with the time so that it will not actually indicate the actual number of blow dealt. Usually spilled lacerations due to compressions of scalp between a blunt object and underlying skull, thus the resembling inside wounds. How it differentiate? Depending on the offending object, weapons, there may be other types of lacerations too. Crush, perforating, blast laceration may sometimes give a clue to the shape of the offending weapons. We can say stilate, blunt force, falling backwards, inside wounds, usually slashed cuts, stabs, usually on an area where the skull is thin. It means temporal bone also can penetrate the orbit. Burns could be due to flame, high tensions, electrocutions, corrosive. Flame burns may cause singeing of hair, which is of value in first deciding the approximate range of firearm discharge, b. deciding the proximity of the victim to the explosion, differentiating dry heat from scalds, most burns, and corrosive burns. Firearm injuries, perforating and or blast lacerations, blast injuries, blast and or perforating lacerations. Skull fracture, a fall through 1 meters or even lesser can cause a skull fracture in an adult. Usually a substantial force is needed to cause a skull fracture may involve one or both tables of the skull, common on the vault than the base of the skull. Traumatic brain injury, called TBI. It is also known as intracranial injury, occurs when an external force injures the brain. TBI can be classified based on severity, mechanism, close or penetrating head injury, or other features, we can say occurring in a specific location or over a widespread area. Head injury is a broader category that may involve damage to other structures such as the scalp and skull. TBI can result in physical, cognitive, social, emotional, and behavioral symptoms, and outcome can range from complete recovery to permanent disability or death. Causes include falls, vehicle collisions, and violence. Brain trauma occurs as a consequence of a sudden acceleration or deceleration within the cranium or by a complex combination of both movement and sudden impact. In addition to the damage caused at the moment of injury, a variety of events in the minute to days following the injury may result in secondary injury. These processes include alterations in cerebral blood flow and the pressure within the skull. Some of the imaging techniques used for diagnosis include CT and MRI. Prevention measures include use of protective technology in vehicles such as seat belts and sports or motorcycle helmets, as well as efforts to reduce the number of the collisions, such as safety education programs and enforcement of traffic law. Depending on the injury, treatment required may be minimal or may include intervention such as medication, emergency surgery, or surgery years later. Physical therapy, speech therapy, recreation therapy, occupational therapy, and vision therapy may be employed for rehabilitation. Counseling, supported employment, and community support service may also be useful. TBI is a major cause of death and disability worldwide, especially in children and young adults. Males sustain traumatic brain injuries more frequently than do females. The 20th century saw development in diagnosis and treatment that decreased death rates and improved outcomes. Classification of TBI: acceleration injury, deceleration injury, shear strain, rotational injury, coup and contra coup injury, accelerating injury. Traumatic injury to the brain resulting from high speed accelerations of the brain within the skull cavity in the direction of initial force. Acceleration, deceleration, brain injury, impact by deceleration injury, traumatic injury to the brain, typically following an acceleration injury to the brain in a high-speed situations such as a motor vehicle accident or high-impact sports. Shear injury. It is a traumatic brain injury that occurs as white matter and white matter connections are disrupted from acceleration decelerations or rotational accelerations mechanism of force. The axon of neurons are disturbed from a biomechanical and often also a biochemical standpoint. Head in neutral positions, its pavement had rebound forward. Hoop injuries occurs under the site of impact with a object and a contra-hoop injury occurs on the side opposite the area that was hit. Hoop and contra-hoop injuries are associated with cerebral contusions, a type of traumatic brain injury in which the brain is bruised. coup and counter-coup injuries fix. Damage to meninges and brain is common. If the force is severe enough, can end up with a deficiency of the skull, can be a focus of post-traumatic epilepsy at a later time. When the skull is broken into more than two fragments, may take the shape of cobweb of mosaic fractures. We can say road traffic accident, falls, blunt heavy weapons with a large striking surface. Damage to meninges and brain is common. If the force is severe enough, can end up with a deficiency of the skull, can be focused post-traumatic epilepsy at a later time. Intracranial hemorrhage. Intracranial hemorrhage, ICH, also known as intracranial bleed, is bleeding within the skull. It includes intracerebral bleeds, intraventricular bleeds, and intraparenchymal bleeds, subarachnoid bleed, epidural bleeds, and subdural bleeds. Intracranial bleeding occurs when a blood vessel within the skull is ruptured or leaks. It can result from physical trauma as occurs in head injury or non-traumatic causes as occurs in hemorrhagic stroke such as a ruptured aneurysm. Anticoagulant therapy as well as disorder with blood clotting can heighten the risk that an intracranial hemorrhage will occur. Diagnosis in CT CT scan is the definitive tool for accurate diagnosis of an intracranial hemorrhage. In difficult cases, a MRI scan can also be used. Thank you.